number 12, we're given a circle equation in this form. That means we can find the radius from here. It's going to be -1, 2 by changing these signs. And also we can find the radius. It's going to be the square root of the value given at the right, square root of 85. Okay. And it says that y is equals to 3x minus 20 passes through the circle at points A and B. And in part A, we have to find the coordinates of A and B. So we simply have to solve these two equations simultaneously using substitution method. So part A, I'm going to directly start with the substitution method. We have x plus 1 whole square. Instead of the y, I'm going to write the other y, 3x minus 20 minus 2 whole square equals 85. This gives x plus 1 whole squared plus 3x minus 22 whole square equals 85. Now we expand this completely. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square would be 9x square minus 2ab would be minus 132x and plus b square is going to be 484 and I'm bringing 85 to the other side equals to 0. I'm going to completely simplify this. 10x squared minus 130x plus 400 equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides with 10. So x squared minus 13x plus 40 is equals to 0. Now we can factorize here. X squared, we can use 8 and 5 minus 8x minus 5x plus 40 equals 0. And we get x minus 8 minus 5, x minus 8 equals 0. X minus 5, x minus 8 equals 0. And we get x equals to 5, x is equals to 8. We need the full coordinates. That means we need y as well. So for y, just substitute the x you got in this equation. So for the first one, it's going to be y equals 3 times 5 minus 20. And that will give you minus 5. And for the other one, again, you use this equation, substitute 8 here. So it's going to be 3 times 8 minus 20. That would give us a 4. So the coordinates are coming out to be 5, minus 5 and 8, 4. So this has to be 8, 4. Of course, it's higher. And then this will be 5, minus 5. Okay. Part B says that find an equation of the circle which has its center at C and for which the line y is equals to 3x minus 2 is a tangent. Okay, so now what they're asking us to do is find equation of another circle. Let me zoom in over here. Okay, so they're asking us to find equation of another circle whose center is C, but whose tangent is this line. So this is a very bad looking circle, but it is what it is. So now this is going to be tangent to this line. Okay, now let's use the circle property from O levels that if there's a chord, and by the way, we're looking at the bigger circle, looking at this one. So this is the bigger circle. Here's a chord. And if a line, here's a chord. And if a line from the center of the circle is perpendicular to the chord, then this is the middle of these 2 points. Okay, so then this point should be the mid of A and B, and then this would be a 90-degree angle. If you connect these, and if this is 90-degree, then the point here should be the mid value of this and this. So let's find the midpoint of 8 and 5. That's going to be 13 over 2, which is 6.5, comma, the midpoint of 4 and minus 5 is going to be minus 1 over 2 minus 0.5. So Oops, I wasn't supposed to clear that. Okay, so we have this coordinate here now, which is 6.5, comma, minus 0.5. And now we need to find equation of this new inner circle. We already know its center. The center is minus 1, comma, 2. All we need is its radius, and radius would be this length. So apply the distance formula on C and the new midpoint. It's going to be square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. When you enter this in your calculator, it's going to give you square root 125 upon 2. What you can do is simply enter this, ignore the square root, enter this in the calculator. It's going to give you 125 over 2, and then put the square root on it yourself. Otherwise, it's going to give you an answer in simplified surd form, which might confuse you. So better to leave it like that. So now the equation of the circle is going to be x minus, change this sign, plus 1 whole square plus y, change this sign, y minus 2 whole square equals to radius square. So that's going to be 125 over 2. And that is the answer.